Hi everyone, I bet if you're watching this, you are watching it because you feel a little frazzled, or you know somebody who's a little frazzled, and I get it. We have all been in that place where sometimes we're just a little too frazzled. Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm a business and executive coach. My passion is to really help leaders and teams to discover, activate, and leverage their unique genius. And sometimes, we can get frazzled. And this book has been an amazing help for me to get unfrazzled. This is the book Essentialism. It's actually a New York Times bestseller. The title is Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less by Ian McEwan. And, it's that pursuit of less. And sometimes we feel frazzled because we're not doing less. And over the next, starting August 1st, I'm going to be doing a 25-day podcast series going through this book. And this has been an amazing help for me, and I'm sure it will be for you. If you go to the show notes in this YouTube video, you can download a free PDF journal. It's the Essential Journal. And what it is, it's a tool. It's free. It's a tool that can really help you get the most out of this book and the most out of this podcast series. My goal is that at the end of the 25 days when we do this, that you will have an entire new shift in how you approach your life, how you approach your business, and that frazzledness will be gone. Or mostly gone, I guess, right? There's always times when it comes back, but this book will give you incredible tools and a way to create more clarity and focus and be not frazzled. And so if this sounds like something that would be interesting to you, then I encourage you to subscribe to the channel, click the notifications so you don't miss any of the videos on this. And also, if you know anybody else who's in that kind of place of they just feel frazzled, they just don't have the clarity of what to do, and this might be a great help for them, I'd encourage you to share this with them. Okay, until next time, this is Jeff with Pie of Genius. All right, guys, have a great day.